Internet of Things is all about connecting things, which could be anything from a farm gate to a cow to a fridge, connecting those to the internet. LoRaWan is a type of Internet of Things network, and it suits some particular needs. LoRa stands for long range, and it's a long range network, so the range of it is up to 10 kilometres in open space. It uses very little power, which makes it suitable for things that are left out in the field, away from any power, away from Wi-Fi or anything like that. The Things network is a type of LoRaWan network. It's unique because it's a global network. It's community sourced. So different organisations build the network themselves. So they're not relying on a telecoms company to install a mast somewhere. You can do it yourself for hundreds of pounds per gateway. So it's a very low cost way of building a network. We've had a fantastic day here at Glynllifon. We've had loads of really good ideas. One was not a farming idea. It was around about care of vulnerable people in the community and how you might put sensors in a home without being too invasive to monitor their well-being. So you know if somebody is okay, if they're following the same kind of daily routines, so you can monitor those routines. There was a great idea about slurry levels and monitoring the level of slurry pits because of overspill or leakage into the water system. So there were two parts to that. One is about preserving the health of the water system, the fish in it, and the second part is about preventing the farmer from incurring fines. So there's a good business case around that one. And the winning idea was a new one on me, and it was all about knowing when livestock are going into birth. So if it's cattle, when they calve, if it's sheep, when they give birth to the lambs. And it was being able to detect that that was about to happen and to monitor for any stress in the animals.